Welcome to Let's Know. Today we will see top 20 most livable cities in India. This survey was taken by Indian government under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. This survey included 111 cities all across India. They ranked the cities based on these factors: governance, economy, health, education, security, pollution. At number 20 is Vasai Virar. Vasai Virar is located in western Maharashtra. It is the largest city in Konkan region excluding the Mumbai metropolitan area. At number 19 is Surat. Surat is located in southern Gujarat. Surat is the second largest city in Gujarat. It is famous for its diamond industry. At number 18 is Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is located in the eastern part of Odisha. It is the capital as well as the largest city in Odisha. At number 17 is Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is located in the northeast part of Andhra Pradesh. It is the largest city in Andhra Pradesh. At number 16 is Amravati. Amravati is located in the eastern Maharashtra or Vidarbha region. Amravati is the largest city in Vidarbha region after Nagpur. At number 15 is Jabalpur. Jabalpur is located in the eastern part of Madhya Pradesh. It is the third largest city in Madhya Pradesh. At number 14 is Chennai. Chennai is located in the northeast part of Tamil Nadu. It is the capital as well as the largest city in Tamil Nadu. At number 13 is Bilaspur. Bilaspur is located in northern part of Chhattisgarh. It is the second largest city in Chhattisgarh. At number 12 is Tiruchirappalli. Tiruchirappalli is located in the central part of Tamil Nadu. It has the world's largest functional Hindu temple. At number 11 is Karimnagar. Karimnagar is located in northern Telangana. It is the fifth largest city in Telangana. At number 10 is Bhopal. Bhopal is located in the central part of Madhya Pradesh. It is the capital and the second largest city in Madhya Pradesh. At number 9 is Vijayawada. Vijayawada is located in central Andhra Pradesh. It is the second largest city in Andhra Pradesh. At number 8 is Indore. Indore is located in the western part of Madhya Pradesh. It is the largest city in Madhya Pradesh. At number 7 is Raipur. Raipur is located in the central part of Chhattisgarh. It is the largest city in Chhattisgarh as well as the capital of Chhattisgarh. At number 6 is Thane. Thane is located in the western part of Maharashtra. It is the part of the Mumbai metropolitan city. At number 5 is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory located in North India. It serves the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. At number 4 is Tirupati. Tirupati is located in the southern part of Andhra Pradesh. It is the most visited city in Andhra Pradesh. At number 3 is Mumbai. Mumbai is located in the western part of Maharashtra. It is the capital of Maharashtra and the largest city in India. At number 2 is Navi Mumbai. Navi Mumbai is also located in western Maharashtra. It is the part of the Mumbai metropolitan region. And the most livable city in India is Pune. Pune is located in the western Maharashtra region. It is the second largest city in Maharashtra and ninth largest city in India. It was established in 17th century. It served as a capital of Marathas and was one of the strongest city in all of India. But later on, British captured it. After independence, in 1978, it changed its name from Pune to Pune. In 1999, under MIDC project, a lot of industries were set up and Pune has been in a rapid growth since then. State-wise, Maharashtra has the most cities in this list at number 6, Andhra Pradesh has 3 cities and Madhya Pradesh has 3 cities. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked my content, then please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for all notifications. Did your city reach in this list? If yes, then write down in the comments.